Hello guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut for free. It's a very simple process to do. First of all, when you feel your video is just edited, it's complete your project. I'm showing you the complete process that how to use for free. First of all, if you feel your video is edited, your project is completed, then you just follow this process. Compound your project like this, and first of all click to pre-process compound clip. When it will be 100%, then follow this process. Click on Windows plus R from your keyboard, Windows plus R from your keyboard, and then type here app data, press to OK, then local, and then CapCut. After that click to user data, find out projects and click second one, and then here is this file name 0806, and find out the 0806 from here. Click here, and then again click to resources, combinations, and here you can see a few multiple option, multiple file. Find out from here your file. Like I just drag and drop this one. No, it's not. Again I try this one, and now delete this one, and then export this file, and that's it. You can use your CapCut PC version for free using this process. Thanks for watching.